Samsung admits that the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus have nearly 5 times higher minimum display refresh rates than advertised. Okay, I caught this story this morning. I was like, what are they talking about here? Why would they? I can't imagine them saying something and then maintaining it after people figured out the truth on it. But apparently, they stated that there was a variable refresh from 10 to 120 hertz. Now, the reason you would want a wide range in your variable refresh is because when a high refresh is not needed on a static page, if it can dip all the way down, then you're going to be able to get some battery life enhancements. So you might want that big range over there. When Samsung announced the Galaxy S22 series 4 days ago, it claimed that all 3 models were capable of 120 hertz refresh rates, matching last year's models. Only the S22 Ultra could vary its refresh rate between 1 and 120 hertz. 1 and 120 hertz, thanks to LTPO 2.0 technology. In comparison, Samsung asserted that the S22 and S22 Plus could drop as low as 10 hertz. And apparently that claim is still on the website, but it now states elsewhere in other media that it can only fluctuate between 48 and 120. As a result, neither device utilizes LTPO backplanes, relying on LTPS instead. So it's very confusing for the customer if this is a thing that you're, super interested and granular about, because the website is saying one thing, there's other screenshots saying other things. And you might be worried about it. But we knew that the display on the Ultra would be the granddaddy. We knew that already. But this could be one of those situations where somebody who was on the fence and they really want that top battery life, they might be concerned a little bit more now about the Plus or the standard unit. So it's just worth noting. You can go check the article. It's notebookcheck.net. I'm sure we'll hear more from Samsung, and hopefully they update the website to reflect the actual specification so people are armed with the right information.